We recently added a carbon fiber hood to our 2015 50th anniversary Mustang GT, and today we're going to continue that carbon fiber theme under the hood. This is Trufiber's radiator support cover, and it's going to fit your 2015 through 2017 GT V6 or EcoBoost Mustang. It's going to be a direct replacement for the factory piece and installs with the factory hardware, and that's a great look under the hood. The only tool required for the installation to remove the radiator cover is going to be a flathead screwdriver. Now this is designed to remove your prop rod, so you will need to go with some sort of a hood strut kit. You'll need a 10mm socket and ratchet to remove your factory prop rod. Remove the factory cover. We'll install our new cover. All right, and reinstall the original push pins. And your installation is finished. If you're looking to dress up the underhood of your 2015 through 2017 V6, EcoBoost, or GT, this Trufiber radiator cover looks a lot better than the factory plastic piece. Installation, as you saw, very simple, 10 to 15 minutes. Be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.